We're on the home page of our application and we just got done fixing the restaurants section right here, the carousel, to show us correct data. Now I want to move on and fix this portion of the home page. So maybe instead of why choose us and design for your business, we can have a 3-column here with restaurants and their categories. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So let's go into our text editor, go to our home page, which is our index HTML file, and let's just do the why choose us. So to make sure this works, let's just get rid of the paragraphs so we know that we're editing the correct place. Let's get rid of these other 4 areas right here. So take this, go all the way down. Let's go down one more div. Save it, do a refresh. There you go, got rid of it. Now what we can do here is make this, instead of why choose us, let's just put it for now Italian. There. And so in here, I'll show you first. I'll show you what I'm trying to do here. So class equals more info clear fix. Oh. And class here equals info label clear fix times bistro. Do a refresh, and this is what I'm talking about right here. So if we had a few different, a few more lists, a few more items here, this is what I want it to be. I want it to be Italian restaurants right here, and it'll show all of those restaurants. I want it to be a Chinese category, it'll show all the Chinese restaurants. Greek category, all the Greek restaurants. So that's what I'm trying to do right here. So let's put in some real data. So we have the list right here, and actually before that, right in this section right here, let's put in our variables. Restaurants dot limit. We want to limit it to 5. We don't want it to show every single restaurant. We only want to have 5 restaurants here. Restaurant. Move these over. End it. And instead of times bistro, this is a restaurant name. And actually, let's make this a link. Link to restaurant name, restaurant. Save it. There you go. We want it to show it just like that. Now, on the right hand side here, I'm thinking we can have the ratings right here. So what we can do here is say, let's do the info label right here. If restaurant, let's see, has reviews, then we do this. The restaurant has reviews, create a span clear, class equals pull right star rating. So similar to what we did on the restaurant show page. So do restaurant reviews, average of the rating, and then round by 2. Then close it off. I'm thinking I missed something here. Here you go. Else, I'm going to end it here. Do something else. I'm going to do another span, class of just the pull right without the star rating, Say no reviews yet. So do a refresh or save it and do a refresh here. So there you go. And actually, that is a bit off. Because we want it to be encapsulated in this list right here. So go down here. There. That's how we want it to look like. Now we do a refresh. There you go. No reviews yet. And we can do that for our few other sections as well, and actually take it from the span. Copy it, press enter, just right beneath the end span right here. Copy paste twice, or paste it twice. So there you go. That's how we have it. And we can double check to make sure that the ratings work by going into Taco Bell, writing a review, and actually, because we reset our database, I don't believe we created a user yet, so we'll have to create a user. Green, put in a password, awesome food, let's do it 3-star. Now if we go to our home page, there you go, it shows us our 3 stars. Now it does that for all 3 of these because it's the same table, the same list here. So what we'll do in the next video is to change this from Italian to say Greek, and then we'll change the right hand side here from Italian to say Chinese if we want. It doesn't really matter what category we choose, and then we'll actually show, so right now it's not showing us only Italian food, it's showing us the very first few restaurants that were created, and those just happen to be all of our Taco Bell and Barrio, all of our Mexican restaurants. And so the next video will actually get this to show us the correct restaurants under the respective categories.